The Ford Puma 2025 introduces a refreshed exterior design that blends modern aesthetics with functional enhancements. Up front, the Puma features a closed front grille, a design choice that aims to improve aerodynamic efficiency. This grille is flanked by sharp LED headlights, which contribute to a confident and assertive demeanor. The chiseled front bumper contributes to the sporty aesthetic. The profile of the vehicle features muscular lines and a high waistline, which emphasizes its sporty character. Aerodynamic side mirrors and sleek door handles further enhance its modern appeal. Higher trims, such as the ST line, feature a rear spoiler and unique LED taillights shaped like Puma claws, which add a distinctive touch to the overall design. The sleek contours and high waistline emphasize the Puma's sporty and dynamic character. The alloy wheel design is updated, with larger options available on higher trims, adding to the visual appeal. At the rear, Puma offers a significant 523-liter Gigabox trunk, capable of holding 3 golf bags upright, surpassing many competitors in its class in terms of cargo space. The design is very similar to the traditional Puma, with notable changes including a closed front grille for efficiency and a larger roof spoiler. The traditional dashboard layout has been modernized with a large 12.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system, replacing many physical buttons. This change gives it a sleeker and more contemporary appearance. Despite the technological upgrades, some reviews note that the interior materials remain on the utility side, with an emphasis on durability over luxury. This choice is in line with Puma's practical nature, but may not satisfy those looking for a more premium feel. The Puma offers comfortable seating with adequate support for both the driver and passenger. However, rear seat space is somewhat limited, especially for taller passengers, which is typical of vehicles in this segment.